we just lie tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Tuesday. Alright guys, so today is my first day of my new job. It's not the job that I want. I haven't figured out if I got that just yet, but hopefully we'll know something by Friday. But it's my other job. So I'm so excited. I'm heading there at 3 o'clock. So I was like, let me get some videos done for you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful Valentine's Day. I posted a whole bunch of silly videos on Facebook. I was with my homegirl, and then I was with my boyfriend. Yes, I'm in a relationship, guys. He asked me to be his girlfriend on Valentine's Day, and it's just amazing, and he makes me just smile, and he's just so sweet. So, guys, there's love out there for everybody. But, anyways, this is the Ipsy X box. So, we're going to get into this. We're going to tell you guys if I feel it's worth it or not. And, yeah. So, without further ado, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, ding, ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have 2 giveaways going on. I have a Valentine's Day giveaway going on. It's over on the 28th, so don't miss it. I will leave that link in the description box below. And also I have a jewelry giveaway going on. Now let's get into this video. Oh, also follow her on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100. Okay, so I love this eye look today. Not even gonna lie, like I did this in 3 minutes. I was like, you know what? I'm sure spring is coming up. I'm sure the squad will want to know how to do this eye look. So if you want to know how to do this eye look, give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to show you guys how I did this. I think this was so simple, so easy, and I used 1 palette. So Ipsy X, as you guys know, it's BoxyCharm bought out Ipsy, and Ipsy bought out BoxyCharm, and so this is now the take on it. Like a Boxy Luxe is like an Ipsy X. To me, Ipsy Ultimate did not do well. It just did not. I know there was a lot of my subscribers that were upset about it. They were pissed off. Just did not do well. And that was up there for, what, a year and a half? And so this is the Ipsy X. Now, this is not my box. This is my friend's box, okay? So I did not choose these products. However, okay, I'm going to tell you guys if I feel it was worth it to an extent. Obviously, we have different tastes, so I can't be like, oh, no, 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 no. But I'll be able to see, like, the value of it and see if it's worth it. Now, to me, I was going to get the Ipsy X. But then I was like, you know what? Let me see how people feel. Let me watch some YouTube videos. Let me see how they feel, like I did with the Ultimate. And look, I never got the Ultimate. So, who knows? Maybe I'll get the Ipsy X. I don't know. But what I can tell you is I'm done with Ipsy Plus. I'm done. I will stay with the base bag. This was their last and final chance. I've had problems with them every single month that Ipsy X has started, Ipsy Plus has started, and this was the final straw. Literally, they gave me like 4 mascaras to choose from. Like, who needs 4 mascaras? It was just horrible, horrible choices. I canceled it. They refunded me and everything. So Ipsy Plus is gone from Samantha Sweets. But let's get into this Ipsy X. So you guys know that this is $55 a month. Now the difference is obviously it would be $43, but then you also have to value off what your premium, what your base box is and your plus, and that's how it equals to $55. So if you get the premium, that's BoxyCharm. If you get the plus, premium plus, if you get the plus, clearly this will be like, she just got the Ipsy X for this month, so she will get the plus for next month, and then for March she'll get the X. See? Okay, so, or is it May? I think it's May, March, April. It's 3 months. So, okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is these little scrunchies. Now, she told me she picked these. They are velvety. They are soft. In the comments below, I want you to tell me what you guys chose in yours. Did you get any of the same stuff? This is very pretty, honestly. I like the colors. I love it's like kind of like a rosy pink. And I probably would have chose this myself for scrunchies. So this was her first choice product. Now, remind you, it's 7 to 8. It's not a guarantee it's 7. It's not a guarantee it's 8. So I don't even know how many she got. This is my first time reviewing her box. So this is the first product I'm pulling out. And remember, you get to choose some of those. So hopefully this paper right here will tell me what she chose. And if not, then we're kind of lost. No, this looks like this is just a, oh, what the heck is this? Oh my, does this tell me what she chose? It just says exclusives. I don't know. All right. Next thing. The Huda Beauty, and this is the Rose Gold palette. This palette is absolutely beautiful. They remastered it. I am not a Huda fan, but she loves Huda. So this is perfect for her. She's very happy she got this. I mean, I've heard nothing but really good reviews on this. I just feel like, honestly, Huda, if you wear nails, it's just a bummer, because I feel like Huda works beautifully when you're able to use it with just your finger. And with me, it's always a problem. I don't understand why. But me and Huda just don't mix. But for her to get this, I think this is her third palette. So she has another one, which is great. She won't have to buy it. This thing's like $55. So right off bat, you're getting the value for your box. So we have the scrunchie, the palette, and I believe everybody received this rose gold palette. Let me comment if I'm wrong, but I believe everybody received the Huda palette. Okay, First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Everybody received this as well, I believe. This is what I believe, because I remember them saying exclusives and then what everyone will receive, and then she was able to choose some things. So First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo by IGK. I've tried it before. I'm not a dry shampoo kind of person, but I would say if you really do need a good dry shampoo, this is good. I really like this one based off of, compared to Batiste, I like this one better. Okay, next is the Complex Culture, and this is the Sonic Facial Massage. This is good. Facial Massager. So it looks like this, and this is to get out your fine lines and wrinkles. This, honestly, it's something that I feel like a woman doesn't need. I don't feel like we need it. I don't feel like, who has the time of day to do this? Honestly, I think it's so pretty. I love the color of it in the rose gold. But is this something that I would use? Probably not. But other people, yes. I definitely think you could use this. Begin with a clean, makeup-free complexion. Activate the massager with a counterclockwise at the rounded end angle T-bar. So, I don't know. It's another facial beauty. Kind of recommend. It's kind of like that roller, the jade roller. I never got into those either. So, it might be just me. I might be just lazy with my skincare. But, you know, she'll probably use this. I definitely won't use it. Okay. Next is, and everybody I believe received one of these. This is the About Face Matte Paint Lip. And she got hers in the color, wow, really? It just says matte. In the color matte. That's a heck of a color. That's the color, okay. So it looks like this. It is like this plum kind of wine purple kind of color. I don't really like matte liquid lips. I love glosses. As you guys can see, I always have some type of a gloss on. But I don't even know about this brand. I've never even used this brand, never heard of this brand. Now it says it's made in Italy, so that could be why, but it says it packs a powerful pigment. So, hey, if they say it, it must be true, right? Just kidding. Okay, next is Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. I've tried this before. Not a fan. I'm sorry. Pat McGrath is a beautiful person inside and out. I love her so much, but I just feel her mascaras to me clump. Now, I think for falsies, her mascara is great for people that have falsies. But with my real lashes, it's just too much. It's just too much. I don't know what it is, if it's the formula or what, but it always clumps up on me. So this is what I believe she chose. So hopefully, like I said, I'm going to read this paper a little bit more, and this can tell me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the Probiotic Skincare by Tula, and it's a Rose Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. Ooh. Now, this is something I would definitely have tried. I would have gotten. So it is, oh, that is so nice. So it is a stick. It is a stick, and you roll it underneath your eye. I promised her I wouldn't swatch anything, so I'm not going to swatch anything. And it has the superfoods in it, and it is a cooling and brightening eye balm. This is interesting. I definitely am curious about this. I want to try this. It says a brightening eye balm that instantly hydrates, cools, and helps reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles, plus leaves a gorgeous glow. This is where it's at right here. And last but not least, and I believe everybody received either this one or they received, I think it was the brow? It is by Patrick Ta. And this is a blush in Velvet Blush and She's passionate. First off, let's just appreciate this gorgeous gold packaging. And then here is the color. I think that color is absolutely beautiful. So pretty. I definitely would love to get this. I don't think you could have added on things from Ipsy X to my knowledge. I don't think, because I didn't see this as like an add-on. So that is everything in the box. I can't believe it didn't give me like a little book or something, because it's not telling me. It says Explore Your Glam Bag Plus, $428. So, oh, that's plus. No, X. X, $428. So the blush is $32. Okay. The liquid lip is $22 as well. The Pat McGrath mascara is $30. The Complex Culture, oh my gosh, that wand is $58. The Huda Beauty Remastered is $65. So look at that. I thought it was only $55. And yes, I was right. It was either the brow you would get or you would get the blush. And then the Tula is $30. Not bad. I wouldn't mind spending $30 for something. If I know it really works well, I wouldn't mind. And the IGK dark charcoal shampoo is $27. And the scrunchies were $12. And the last thing was the mascara. The only thing I left out. Oh, the Pat McGrath. Did I say that? The mascara was $30. So that was all the prices. As you can see, definitely a bang for your buck. Worth over, way worth over your $55 mark. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this, honestly. Like I said, it's not my box and I didn't spend the money, so I kind of have mixed emotions. But I would say, I would definitely say it's worth it with the variety. I love the variety. Okay, so I like the variety, as I was saying. I really do. You have a hair care product. You have a skincare product. You have an eye product. You have a facial product. You have another hair product, but this is more like an accessory product. You have a makeup product. Did I leave out anything? Oh, and you have a face product. So I would definitely say that, yes, this box was worth it. I kind of judged it at first. I'm not going to lie. I did, because I kind of was like, oh, I forgot her. And a lip product. I definitely judged it kind of, because I was looking at like things that I wouldn't think I would choose from. You know what I mean? But then when you look at the bang for your buck, it definitely does fit for it. And this definitely was worth better than the Plus, because like I said, the Plus, I had 4 mascaras to choose from. It was just awful, the Plus. Let me know if you still have your Plus or if you canceled yours. I know I've officially canceled mine. But this is definitely something to think about. I know right now that they have spaces, you reserve your spot. So if you're interested, definitely reserve your spot. I think I'll be reserving mine. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Let me know if you like this. Oh, excuse me. Let me know if you liked your Ipsy X box. Let me know if we got twinsy boxes. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.
Tonight, you know